Kaunti ya Embu ikurirwo maitho ni ng'aragu angikorwo tabarira ya kuraga ngunga iria irathukangirio migunda-ini ndikuruta wira ta uria itanyitwo. Tabarira iyo itanyite kuguna arimi 300 kuma Ugwiri, Runyenjes, kuria mbeu njithi 50 mekwambiriria kuraga ngunga icio.
We will be engaged in training farmers at the local level on mechanical control under the pilot. Embu County was selected for the pilot due to the growing stage of the standing crop in the field during the month of September 2017, during the month of November 2017, and a history of previous season for armyworm infestation, a direct indication of ongoing infestation.
Kuringana na afitha wa gikundi kia urimi kaunti-ini ya Embu, Patrick Maina, augite njira ya kuraga ngunga icio gutumira moko ni njira igukorwo ikihuthira mbeca nini tu na ni igukorwo igiteithiriria murimi hari kuguna mbembe migunda-ini.
We have engaged farmers this season on managing for armyworms. So we are doing the chemical control and all other recommended ways of controlling the pest. I know it is a challenge, but we are managing.
Handu-ini hake murugamiriri wa urimi kaunti-ini yo John Ndwiga augite maafitha kaunti na umeguthi na mbere na gutumira njira ingi cia kunina ngunga icio.
We are doing a lot to assist the farmers, and we believe going forward the loss will be minimal if farmers do what we are advising them to do.
Ndwiga augite kwaga kuruta wira gwa tabarira iyo gugwikira kaunti ya Embu haceke kuona yahota kugumirwo ni ng'aragu. Maafitha a urimi kaunti-ini yo ni moriti arimi gukorwo na unyitaniri hari kurua na ngunga. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.